Hey guys, and welcome back. This is just a heads up. If you are on the fence about getting one of these Harbor Freight welders, I just found out today that they're discontinuing this model. This model has been around for quite a while. It used to be blue. The old model, I forget what the number was. It was a blue series. Now they have it in black. And they're doing away with this. This was the last one they had on the floor today. I picked this up. I was a little concerned about the box being all bashed up like this, but it was the only one there. They're not getting any more in. And I was told that if there's any problem with it, I still could bring it in within the 90 days despite the way the box looks. They said they checked it out. I don't know what they checked out just to see if everything was in there or not. But I picked this up. It's the last one that they had. And the whole purpose of this video is to let you know that this is the end of this particular model. So that if you're thinking about it, get it now. At the counter, they were suggesting that I get the extended warranty. It's only $20. It extends it for another year. But I look at it this way. Either this thing's going to work or it's not going to work. I was told, well, if you get the extended warranty, if this thing goes down and we can't replace it, you get your money back. So I questioned, well, what happens within the 90 days if it goes down? Will I get my money back? They said, yeah. I'm looking at it this way. I'm going to use this within the next couple of days. I'll play around with it a little bit, and either it's going to work or it's not going to work. And if it doesn't work, it'll go back and I'll get my money back either way. Check with your local Harbor Freight. If they have it in stock and you're thinking about getting it, get one now. And they do have a reduced price on it because it's a closeout. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you found this video useful, let me know by posting your comments right down there below and giving it a like. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe. There's that button on top right here. Just press that Joe Z button and you'll be subscribed to my channel. And as always, stay safe until next time.